WEBKNOSSOS makes the sharing of large 3D datasets extremely easy. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload and organize datasets, collaborate on annotations, manage access permissions, and make your data publicly available. To add a dataset, go to the Dataset tab and click on Add Dataset. Give your dataset a name. Choose which teams will have access to it, and a target folder. Drag and drop your files in one of the many supported formats. And, if necessary, set the voxel size in nanometers. Finally, click on Upload to complete the process. Open your dataset and work on it with the extended capabilities of WEBKNOSSOS. By the way, if you need an alignment or stitching, check out Voxelytics Align. When you're ready to share it, copy the sharing link and send it to the recipient. The recipient then simply has to click on the link to access the dataset. Settings such as the view, layer, and mesh visibility will be retained. To organize your project, create a new folder and add the corresponding datasets. Next, create a team. Click on Add Team and choose a name for your team. Add members by setting the teams and permissions for each user. Go back to the Dataset tab. Edit the folder settings to allow access only to the designated team. To share your annotation, open it and select Share from the drop-down menu. Choose the teams for which this annotation should be listed and adjust the settings to allow editing. The annotation will appear in your collaborators list. After opening it, they can start editing. To make your dataset publicly available, go to its settings and change the visibility. Copy the link to the dataset. You can now easily share it with the world. Additionally, you can send it to us to feature it in our gallery. Your dataset will be accessible in just one click from our gallery. Upload your data on WEBKNOSSOS and share it with your community now. Get started for free at webknossos.org.